Hi there, it's Grant here. So if you're new to crypto, stay and watch this video because what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain how you can get started with crypto, things you need to look out for, where to buy crypto, how to store it, and how to sort of really, give you some ideas of what kind of crypto projects you should be getting into when getting started. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So if you like it, why not like the button, why not subscribe for more content like this, and comment below what do you want to know about crypto. If you've got something you don't understand about crypto, what are the biggest things you want to learn about crypto as you're getting into it. Anyway, so crypto is gone through a very rocky patch in the past 12 months. And if you're coming into it, or if you've been on the fence, you're probably wondering whether now is the right time to get into crypto. And really the short answer to that is now is probably the best time in years to get into crypto. The best time to get into crypto was always, at the beginning or a couple of years ago, but we're still in the crypto bear market. If you don't know what that is, it's basically where the market is depressed. It's not really crypto buying season. Over the past 12 months, the price of crypto has crashed. Bitcoin's all-time high was around 65,000. Now it's trading for $30,000. Ethereum's high was about 4.2. Now it's 1.8. So we're still in the bear market. The crypto prices have rebounded a little this year, especially over the past 30 days. Bitcoin's broken the $30,000 mark for the first time in quite some time. What I'm trying to say is most of the crypto coins out there are still trading at prices we've not seen in a long time. So there's bargains to be had. Now, this is the reason why you want to get into crypto. Expert cryptocurrency expert Tika Tiwari has recently come out and said in one of his interviews that now is going to be the last time to buy crypto, because he thinks we're not going to see a buying opportunity to buy crypto like we're seeing at the moment. Because Tika thinks the next couple of years crypto is going to face mass adoption, which means this is the last crypto bear market we're going to see. And once crypto reaches mass adoption, prices are going to skyrocket, and we're not going to see the big crashes like we've typically seen with crypto. So now, in Tika's opinion, a lot of people's opinion, my opinion, I think now is the perfect time to get into crypto if you're at all interested in getting into it, because there's some great buying opportunities. The prices of crypto are going to skyrocket probably in the next 2 years, 18 months, 2 years, when we go back to the crypto bull market, when the masses come back into crypto and investors come into crypto. We're still way off that. So you've still got time to get into crypto and potentially make some nice gains when the crypto bull market returns and prices surge once again. And it's inevitable, prices will surge. It's going to happen. It just depends when. No one really knows when the crypto bull market is going to return. So the first question, is the right time to invest in crypto now? Yes. If you want to get into crypto, do it over the next couple of months, because when prices surge and we go into crypto bull market, it's going to be too late, because you're just going to be really buying crypto when it's rising or at the peak, and you're not going to make the gains. Now is the time to make the gains. I've heard a couple of people say, very prominent crypto experts say, that Bitcoin could go to 100,000 this year. It's not out of the realms of possibility. When the crypto bull market comes, Bitcoin could potentially go to 500,000 a coin, or maybe even $1 million. So that is basically, now's the time to get into crypto. So next question, where is the best place to buy and sell your crypto? Now, this is just my opinion, but I think the best place to get started with crypto is Coinbase. Coinbase is in my opinion, probably the most secure crypto exchange out there. You can get started really easily. All you do is create an account, just transfer some money over, and you can start buying crypto. Yeah. So if you want to get into crypto and start buying crypto, open a Coinbase account. It's so easy. You just connect your bank account, transfer some money over, and then you can literally buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the other coins pretty much at the click of a mouse. It is really that simple. Now, the question is, where do you store your cryptos? So once you've bought your crypto coins on use Coinbase or something else, what you want to do is you don't really want to keep your crypto stored on the exchange, because if the exchange crashes or the business goes out of business, you're going to lose all of your crypto coins and all of your money. So what you want to do is either transfer it, get a mobile wallet. Coinbase does its own wallet. It's one of the best. You can download it, put it in your phone. And once you've bought all of your cryptos on Coinbase, highly recommend transferring it over to your wallet, whether you use Coinbase or another wallet such as MetaMask or a smart wallet. So once you bought your crypto coins, whether it's on Coinbase or something else, download one of the mobile wallets and transfer all of your cryptos over. Once you've got your wallet, you're going to need your crypto key, which is a 12-letter sort of code, or 12-letter phrase, 12-word phrase. So basically, you can use that phrase to unlock your crypto mobile wallet. Because at the end of the day, if you lose that phrase, you're never going to get into your wallet. So if you do get a mobile wallet, you absolutely must have your 12-word key, because that's going to always allow you to access your wallet. The other option for storing your crypto is cold storage, and all cold storage is basically, it's like a USB stick or a pen that isn't always connected to the internet. So basically, it's like a little USB stick you plug into a computer and transfer all of your crypto over, and you can carry that stick with you all the time, or you can keep it somewhere safe. No one can ever get it. And again, you're going to need a 12-word key to always access your wallet. That's probably the preferred way to store crypto, because it's most secure. No one can ever take it from you. The only way people can take it from you is if they steal your little hardware wallet. Get your key, 12-word key, and then use it. But obviously, if you keep it safe, you are good to go. So that is how you buy crypto, and that's how you store it. So the next thing you need to know is, what should you buy? What project should you buy first? Well, and now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a crypto enthusiast looking to invest in crypto coins, ready for the next crypto bull run. So any of the coins I recommend here, they're not recommendations. This is just basically what I'm doing, and you can take it for what it is. But obviously, anything you buy, it's on your head only. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. So where would I start? For me personally, it's always good to own a bit of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not going anywhere. It's basically, we're going to be using Bitcoin in the future to buy and sell stuff. So put $50 to $100 into Bitcoin, or whatever you can afford to lose. I'd start off with $100, $200 of Bitcoin. I'd definitely buy some Ethereum, because Ethereum's going to be the number one software development platform on the blockchain. It holds a lot of the decentralized finance apps that we're all going to be using in the future to raise finance, do banking, and what have you. So I'll definitely own a bit of Ethereum. And basically outside of that, so those are your solid coins. These coins aren't going anywhere. They're in here for the long run. And when the next bull run comes around, you could still make some nice gains off Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everyone should own some of those coins, in my opinion. Now, outside of that, if you really want to make big coins with crypto, then you need to be looking at small micro cap coins, you know, and tokens. These are the crypto coins that have huge growth potential in the future. I'm not going to really recommend any coins now. That's for another video. But the areas you really want to be looking at for these little micro cap coins or tokens are in the decentralized finance space, because, you know, DeFi, crypto DeFi is going to change the way we do banking and finance and everything like that. Look for cryptos in the Web3 space. If you don't know what Web3 is going to be the next incarnation of the internet. Incarnation of the internet is going to be decentralized, which means there's going to be no central body controlling the internet. Basically, you can own pieces of the internet. You know, everything's going to be sort of digitized. We're going to be able to. I don't really understand where Web3 is going to go. I'm not a Web3 expert, but it's gonna be pretty incredible what we're going to be able to do. So I definitely look for coins in the Web3 space. I think the crypto AI space, it's going to be huge. The AI space is going to be blowing up. So definitely keep your eye out for projects on there. And another one I keep an eye out for is crypto gaming. Crypto gaming is going to be huge, because a lot of it is going to be buy to earn. And I think once the crypto gaming space takes off, there's going to be some huge gains there. So those are the kind of my thoughts on what to invest in. If you want to start, just my opinion, if you want to get started today in crypto, open a Coinbase account, transfer $100, $200 over, or what you can afford to lose. Buy some Bitcoin, buy some Ethereum, and then start doing research into some smaller altcoins and tokens, so you can prepare for the crypto bull market. So if you're new to crypto, welcome. There's never been a better time to invest in crypto. Now's the time to get going. Now's the time to invest. Get ready for the bull run, because the crypto bull run is going to be on us within the next 18 months, 2 years. It's going to be huge. And the people who don't invest in crypto now are going to regret it big time once the market surges, because there's some huge gains to be had. And I think there's going to be some 100x coins out there that are going to change people's lives, who take the risk now, hold, and then cash in when the crypto bull run comes. Anyway, if you like the video, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? Also, why not comment below? Let me know what other stuff you want to learn about crypto. Do you want to learn about crypto picks? I'm not really a financial advisor, but I do it from a place of what I'm looking to invest in. If that's of interest, link below. Or is there anything else you want to know? Crypto news? Let me know below, and I'll try and create some videos for you. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link below to one of my favorite crypto courses. It's from Tika Tiwari. And basically, he's giving his top Web3 picks for the next crypto bull run. So if you're wondering how to get started in crypto and what to invest in outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum, I can highly recommend Tika Tiwari's Palm Beach Pioneer service, crypto service. I'll leave a link below. In the service, has loads of, a full course of how to get started with crypto, and he's giving his top Web3 picks to prepare for the next crypto bull run. So, my opinion, there's no better person to follow than Tika Tiwari. Follow his picks. He's one of the best out there. Anyway, I'll link to his service, Palm Beach Pioneer, below, and I'll also link to one of his interviews where he's basically talking about why now is the last time to invest in crypto. Anyway, hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.